Hello and welcome to IMW Club. Today, we are going to discuss interesting topic. The topic is the best large cap mutual funds in India. We are discussing the fund that have given more than 25% returns in the last 3 years. These funds have outperformed the market. Before we proceed, please subscribe IMW Club and take your investment game to the next level. Also note, mutual fund investment is subject to market risk. Hence diversify your investment and protect your money. Understand your risk profile and invest. Make sure to consult with your financial advisor to assess if these funds fit your investment goals and risk appetite. Lastly, go systematic investment approach so you can take corrective approach. According to information on the Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI, website as of April 2023, at least 7 large cap funds had provided returns of more than 25% when using the direct plan. These schemes' regular programs have even produced returns of over 23%. Let's begin. Number 1. Nippon India Large Cap Fund. First on the list is Nippon India Large Cap Fund. Its direct plan has given a return of 28.64%, while the regular plan has given a return of 27.57% in 3 years. The scheme tracks the S&P BSE 100 Total Return Index. Number 2. ICICI Prudential Bluechip Fund. The direct plan of ICICI Prudential Bluechip Fund has given a return of 26%, while the regular plan has given a return of 25.21% in 3 years. The scheme tracks Nifty 100 Total Return Index. Number 3. IDBI India Top 100 Equity Fund. IDBI India Top 100 Equity Fund has given a return of 25.03% under the direct plan, while the regular plan has given a return of 23.62% in 3 years. The scheme tracks Nifty 100 Total Return Index. Number 4. Kotak Bluechip Fund. Kotak Bluechip Fund has given a return of 26.6% under the direct plan, while the regular plan has given a return of 24.07% in 3 years. The scheme tracks Nifty 100 Total Return Index. Number 5. SBI Bluechip Fund. SBI Bluechip Fund has given a return of 25.87% under the direct plan, while the regular plan has given a return of 24.94% in 3 years. The scheme tracks the S&P BSE 100 Total Return Index. Number 5. Tata Large Cap Fund. Tata Large Cap Fund has given a return of 25.31% under the direct plan, while the regular plan has given a return of 24.16% in 3 years. The scheme tracks Nifty 100 Total Return Index. Number 7. Edelweiss Large Cap Fund. Lastly, Edelweiss Large Cap Fund has given a return of 25.07% under the direct plan, while the regular plan has given a return of 23.12% in 3 years. The scheme tracks Nifty 100 Total Return Index. In conclusion, as per data from Association of Mutual Funds in India, these 7 large cap mutual funds have performed exceptionally well in the past 3 years. However, mutual funds are subject to market risks, and past performance does not guarantee future returns. Therefore, it's essential to consult with your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you find this video useful, then subscribe and share with your family and friends. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe IMW Club for more investment insights and tips. Thanks for watching. Happy investing.